Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam said, who's the best person? He said two qualities. كل مخموم القلب صدوق اللسان. صدوق اللسان. He said, everyone who is two criteria. Look at yourself, don't look at anybody. Pure of heart, and truthful in speech. They said, we know truthful in speech. That's easy. What is this pure heart? مخموم القلب. This is the word he said in Arabic, which is a hard word. What is this pure heart? The pure heart is التقي, النقي, the person who is pious. The heart is absolutely pure. And they said, what is that? He said, doesn't have the following: no sin, no injustice, no anger, no envy. Let's say it one more time. Truthful in tongue. Hopefully that's easy. Now come here. Nobody knows except him, subhanah. I have no idea what is in your heart. You have no idea what is in my heart. Only him. 4 things. The heart is pious. That's your relationship with him. And the heart is pure. That's relationship with people. No anger, no hatred, no jealousy at all. And there is nothing next to it says, it depends what they did. Did you see it? No sin, no injustice, no envy, no anger. Then you have a pure heart. If you say to yourself or to somebody, I can't forgive her, you don't know what she did to me. Your heart, pure heart is in process. Or you say, you don't know what he did to me. He stole my money. He took the company from me. Right? He hurted my daughter. He did this and this and this and this to my daughter. I can never forgive him. That doesn't mean you love him. We are human. But I am not going to say I will never forgive him.